Welcome to 106 Calle Corea, a stunning ocean view home in the exclusive, gated community of Spyglass Ridge Villas in Pismo Beach. The multi-level layout is designed for light and flow, featuring a cozy living room with a fireplace, a formal dining area with elegant details, and a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast nook that opens to another view-filled balcony. Upstairs, you'll find 2 private suites, including a serene primary suite with breathtaking ocean views, dual closets, and a spa-inspired bath with a soaking tub and walk-in shower. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath coastal retreat offers panoramic views stretching from Avila Beach to Point Sal, perfect for morning coffee, whale watching, or watching fireworks right from your balcony. Outside, enjoy low-maintenance living with paver patios, hillside privacy, and no rear neighbors. This is more than a home, it's a Central Coast lifestyle. Schedule your private tour today